Hopkids. Today we are going to learn about birds. Duck. Ducks can swim. Eagle. Eagles can fly very fast. Hen. Hens dream when they sleep. Parrot. Parrots can copy noises. Peacock. Peacocks dances well. Dove. Dove is the symbol of peace. Stork. Storks have good eyesight. Swan. Swan is a beautiful bird. Pigeon. Pigeons are highly intelligent. Sparrow. Sparrows are very small birds. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers have strong beaks. Owl. Owls hunt at night. Myna. Mynas can walk rather than hop. Hornbill. Hornbill have a large head. Cuckoo. Cuckoo has long tail. Turkey. Turkeys can change their color. Quail. Quail eggs are so small. Ostrich. Ostrich can run very fast. Emu. Emus are the second largest bird in the world. Cockatiel. Cockatiels are also called as whistling bird. Kingfisher. They live near rivers. Kite. Kites have long wings. Cockatoo. They can live up to 60 years. Nightingale. Nightingale produce 1,000 different sounds. Robin. Robins sing cheerfully.